Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, we've got some leftover macaroni, fake ground beef. There's a recipe that I have for this that's in the cards and in the links on how to make it. It's gorgeous. So this is a leftover pasta. You're having a couple of eggs, just slightly beaten like this. Check it out. You just slightly beat them just a little. That's all you need for these. Look at that, I'm doing that left-handed. Finish it off with a little mozzarella. I'm going to start off with olive oil, some garlic, some salt, and some pepper. Mike Foster here, how you doing? It's another killer restaurant. It's another killer video. Fast, simple, and easy to make. First, you got to watch how I made this beautiful, delicious macaroni. Healthy for you. You know, a little carby, but watch the carbs. But it's made with soy, plant-based meat. Hey, Mike's trying to cut down on his meat consumption. But this is a leftover pasta, which are fun to make. I've got a couple other videos about leftover pasta, one with bacon, one just with eggs. So check those out. But this one's easy to put together. Let's do it. All right, you start with a medium pan. You just put a little olive oil down. So we're going to heat this leftover macaroni with the, okay, that's enough. It's just a little more. All right, let's get this going. I'm going to put it a little higher than medium because it's going to be a really quick stir fry, scramble, whatever you want to call it. A little pepper in this. Remember, this whole thing's already been seasoned. We're just going to brighten it up. One crack of salt for fun. Who's having fun? Mike's having fun. A little organic garlic. There, now it's starting to heat up. All right. A little more olive oil because it's starting to get a little snappy at me. All right, this is very fast. That's what I said. Fast, simple, easy. Here come those eggs now. This is the best part. All right, just incorporate this. It's a fast cook. It's a fast one. We're pulling a fast one on old Mikey, huh? I'm not kidding. Hey, it may look like hell, but this tastes good. Put a little mozzarella. All right. Just put it on under, Mike. Don't be an idiot. All right, incorporate. It's a little like a scramble, but it doesn't care what you call it. It's eggs and pasta. This one's got a little flavor to it. You keep mixing it. Like I said, I got a couple other recipes. One with just eggs and cheese with the pasta, and one with some bacon. You might want to watch that one. I'll have those linked to this video. And then you just keep mixing it until the egg is solid and the cheese is melted, which will be in another minute. So I'll finish this up. I'll meet you at the counter for the taste test. There's the finished product. It looks like pasta, it looks like eggs. And it's got a little fake ground beef in there, a little tomato sauce. Well, you'll see that recipe, but let's taste this one. Big bite coming up. All right, another killer recipe by Foster. Hey, but it makes the difference if it tastes like you see, huh? Oh. You can see the egg right there, see it? And it just mixes so well. Egg makes it creamier than the original just pasta. But it's the mozzarella cheese ain't bad either. This is my breakfast / brunch. Left over from last night. Turn it into a little more protein with the eggs. More breakfasty. That's sweet babu, baby. A little piece of mozzarella. I'm not going to eat it. We'll put it over here. Check it out for more videos like this. Check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. I've got over 1,000 videos. Tell people about it. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Look at this guy. He needs to do something. All right, let's get started. Oh, he cut my head off. See what I did there? I hit the camera. You hear that noise? You hear it? I got a fountain in the house. In the house. It's my wife. She wants a fountain, she gets a fountain. She wants a pony, she gets a pony. I pray to God she doesn't want a pony. I'm not kidding. There it is. That's the outside. That's outside. And this is inside. Look at this. Nice sound, it's nice and soothing. We're still finishing the house, it's not finished, but this is the look from the living room back into the kitchen. That's my kitchen over there, that's the one that I do the videos. My goodness. You can see a little of the house. Like I said, we're still decorating. My wife loves record albums. You can see it. So that's all you get.